Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error on PC. Two things you can try if you want to fix the Roblox memory turn error. So first, you go to find your Roblox game, right click on it, and then right here, we want to select properties. So after we have loaded up the properties, we want to click on open file location, and you should be able to see the Roblox player beta. So right click on the Roblox player beta, and again we want to click on properties. So from here we go to change a few settings. We have to go to the compatibility tab, and we got to check this run this program in compatibility mode, and we can leave it for Windows 8. The other two things that we need to check is this disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. So after you have changed these things, you can click on apply, click on OK, exit out of this, and try to open up your Roblox player. If that doesn't work for you, still another thing you can do is open up your computer, search and type percentage local app data percentage, press enter, and this will load up all of your temporary files. So clear. So here we have to click on any folder, type R. So we are able to locate the Roblox folder, and this is basically just a memory dump of all of your files. And what you have to do is right click on it and delete it. So after that, what you need to do is restart your PC, and then hopefully this should fix your error for you. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.